Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to improve your aim in Overwatch. Improving your aim in Overwatch can significantly enhance your gameplay. So here's what you're going to do. Understand sensitivity settings. Experiment with different sensitivity levels to find what suits you best. Adjust crosshair. Customize your crosshair for better visibility and alignment with your aiming style. Practice flick shots. Practice quickly moving your crosshair onto targets. Tracking exercises. Focus on keeping your crosshair on moving targets. Warm up before matches. Use aim training tools or practice ranges to warm up your aim. Use headphones. Sound cues can help you anticipate enemy positions and movements. Analyze your mistakes. Review gameplay to understand why you miss shots. Study hitboxes. Learn the hitboxes of different heroes to maximize your accuracy. Play projectile heroes. Practice with heroes like Pharah or Zenyatta to understand projectile physics. Crosshair placement. Always position your crosshair where enemies are likely to appear. Use aim trainers. Tools like AimLab or Kovacs FPS aim trainer can improve precision. Stay calm. Avoid panicking when under pressure, as it affects your aim. Utilize strafing. Master strafe aiming to make yourself a harder target while maintaining accuracy. Play different heroes. Gain insight into various aiming styles required for different heroes. Focus on predictive aim. Anticipate enemy movements rather than reacting late. And mind your posture. Sit comfortably with good composure to reduce physical strains. Routine practice. Dedicate time regularly to practice aiming techniques. And that's how to improve your aim in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.